Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the BANG Olufsen speaker Beosound A1 for duration, and I'm going to tell you all the application's features overview. So this is the BANG Olufsen application here, and the first thing we can see is our speaker itself. Here we have the sound mode, which is equalizer, and we can switch to the pre-created preset, ambient, party, speed, favorite, and optimal, or create our new one here. And if you go back, we can enter stereo pair, and we can pair our speaker with another Beosound A1 for duration to make a stereo pair to improve our listening experience. Here we have name, and we can rename our speaker in the application itself. Here we have the software update, and if we tap that, we can update our software and check our version, not settings, software update. And here we have the settings. And here we have the product color. We can change our product color to have the better impression of our speaker in our application. If you want to have the exact same color, here we have the eucalyptus green or honeytown. I will stay with this one. Apart from that, we have the product guide. It's as easy as that. And here we have the about section, and here we can learn something about our speaker: software, version, serial number, and name. We have here video care 2, but I don't have linked the video card, so I don't have that. Here we can remove our product, and here we have the radio. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.